Have you ever experienced a lack of space for your dishes? Here at No Worries Inc., we have come up with an innovative idea to allow your storage and your kitchen to maximize in space. We have created a dishwasher with dual drawers. That way you can take your dish from the dishwasher, clean, use it and replace it in the other side of the dishwasher without ever having to put it in the cabinet. Is the lack of space stressing you out?
Yes.
Do you need more space?
Yes.
Do you wish you had a dual dishwasher?
Yes!
How would you like dishwashing to be more relaxing?
I would love it.
Well, you need the Hakuna Matata dishwasher. With this dishwasher, you can go from this to this. The Hakuna Matata dual dishwasher, now offered by No Worries Inc.
Hakuna Matata.
Come in.